Spring break 2019 was definitely one to remember. We started off by going to the Wisconsin Dells to watch March Madness. Two of my favorite memories from the Dells are all the rap battles between Nate and Kid.
Yo, what's up, family out here? Have fun in Florida, Noah. It was a good time.
Wait. This isn't Florida.
Living in the dream, feeling like I'm waiting for no one. Look at my new painting, color never changing. All this time I'm wasting on no one. All these faces that I've never known, looking for a place that they can call their own. I don't need much to call it a home. I'm doing just fine. If they need me, I'll be underneath the palm tree, where I lay my head, where I lay my head. I ain't gotta worry. All my worries fled. I'ma take it easy, good thoughts leave me. Fill the open space with the sounds of the blues. Every day woozy, really like this new me. Wish you coulda knew me like this. All these places that I've never known, looking for a place that they can call their own. I don't need much to call it a home. I'm doing just fine. If they need me, I'll be underneath the palm tree, where I lay my head, where I lay my head. I ain't gotta worry. All my worries fled. Find me with the warm breeze and no worries. If you need me, you know I'll be with the green leaves or the palm trees. If you want me, you can find me with the warm breeze and no